10 hidden secrets about houseplant care that even experts don't know. Hello, plant lovers. Today, we're diving into 10 hidden secrets about houseplant care that even the pros might not know. If you want your plants to thrive and stay vibrant, don't miss this video. Part 1, Soil and Watering Secrets. 1. The right soil is more important than the pot. Many people think regular soil is enough, but mixing it with perlite or coco peat improves water absorption and allows the roots to breathe. 2. Use boiled or filtered water. Tap water contains chlorine and minerals that can harm roots over time. Opt for filtered water or even rainwater instead. Part 2, Light and Temperature Tips. 3. Indirect light is a growth magic. Direct sunlight can scorch leaves, but indirect light helps plants grow evenly and healthily. 4. Stable temperatures are the key. Sudden temperature changes, especially near windows or heaters, are a major reason plants struggle. Part 3, Feeding in Special Care. 5. Rice water, the forgotten natural fertilizer. Rice water after cooking is full of nutrients plants love. Just make sure it's salt-free. 6. Mist leaves with water and a bit of tea tree oil. This not only keeps leaves clean but also helps fight off pests naturally. Part 4, Advanced Techniques. 7. Revive wilted plants with a warm water bath. Place the pot in warm water for about 20 minutes, and watch your plant perk up again. 8. Smart propagation with rooting hormone. Dip cuttings in a rooting hormone solution before planting to boost their chances of thriving. Part 5, Creative Tricks. 9. Use pebbles for better drainage. Adding a layer of pebbles at the bottom of the pot prevents waterlogging and keeps roots healthy. 10. Group plants together for natural humidity. When plants are placed close to each other, they create a micro-humid environment perfect for growth. And that's it for the 10 hidden secrets of houseplant care. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos.